trunk or treat over at Sim Racing here in South Barrington at the Arboretum here. They have some cool cars out there. Happy Dad's out there with their Cybertruck, so I'm excited to go trick-or-treating with my kid. She's over here, all excited, so let's go. That's pretty cool. I did a vlog not long ago when they had Supercar Saturday here, guys, and I showed you guys this. Pretty cool that they do these kind of things at the community. So we're gonna go, actually we're gonna walk this way and then head over to Sim Racing back over there. Sick. Pretty sick. That is sick. I think this place is cool, man. Look how cool that is. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Hold on. Isn't that cool? Want a sim race? Yes? It's cool, right? Isn't that cool? Say thank you. Thank you so much. Say trick or treat. What's up, bro? That's good. Put your hat on, okay? I got some coffee, look guys. So there's one. Look at that. Oh, this is a cool. That is so cool. I like this. This is really nice. Very, very nice. I like that. That's so cool. Nice job. Nice job on that. Here. Right here, an huracan. Bam. He's late to the party, but he's here. He's here. The underglow on this Rolls Royce is so nice. candy's up here. Look at that. That's so cool. I like that setup. Very nice setup. That's a cool speaker system here, man. This is such a cool Maserati. I love Maserati, man. Look at that. It's nicely done. Okay, just grab one. There you go. I like this. This is such a nice car, man. I want a Maserati like this one day, guys. Look at that. Nice stance on the wheels. Benz guy. Cool decor, my friend. He's got his candy over here. Oh, there we go. That's a nice car, too. Pretty good time here. It's sim racing for the trunk or treat. Ready? Got it? Got another one? All right. Good job, Chloe. Here comes the Huracan. Oh, after this guy here. Kill my video, man. Come on now. Look how good that looks.